jogging,
cheche womo,
taking pictures,
infonori shamo,
playing the piano,
sankutra,
going to watch a play,
alagba kwemo,
drawing,
nintemo,
writing,
nigma,
reading,
ni kanemo,
sewing,
nikpe,
dancing,
jo,
singing,
lamo,
gymming,
hewojiang pamo,
shopping,
nihemo,
jogging,
cheche womo,
swimming,
nung selemo,
bike riding,
okokpe notamo,
running,
foije,
traveling,
gbefa alo domo,
playing football,
football tra,
gardening,
abong nichumo, alo trom nichumo,
walking,
nyemo,
playing draft,
draft tra,
playing ludo,
ludo shemo,
playing cards,
spa tra,
watching TV,
TV kwemo,
watching football,
football kwemo,
making videos,
video song, alo video shamo,
taking pictures,
infonori shamo,
video game playing,
sure video shemoi, alo amesure video shemoi, alo amesure video shemoi.
Okay, so how come with this one we had to put the subject in front of the verb unlike the others?
Because game playing, the act of playing a game, needs somebody to be doing it. So you must have the subject with it. It must always have a subject. That is some of the Ga, ways of saying things. You can't leave the subject. I just don't understand where we speak like that.
So you're saying that this is one of the Ga verbs that cannot be used if there's no subject?
Yeah.
Okay. Surfing or browsing the internet?
Internet nibi amli hramu.
Listening to music?
Lala toibo.
Playing the trumpet?
Tetremante kamo.
Playing drums?
Mi ayimo.
Playing the piano.
Sankutra. Sankutra.
Playing the flute.
Obenta tra. Obenta tra.
Playing the guitar.
Pa sanku tra. Pa sanku tra.
Visiting the museum.
Blemanibi atohe sramo. Blemanibi atohe sramo.
Going to the cinema.
Sini kwemo ya. Sini kwemo ya.
Okay, in the previous video, we said that cinema was sinichu. So how come here, for cinema, we are not saying sinichu?
Sini kote chuemli oyakwe sini.
Let's explain in English.
In English.
Yes.
Yes, in the cinema house, you go into a room to look at something. Cinema, the film. So they are coming for the object of seeing
A screen.
a screen and show,
Okay.
and not the building.
Okay.
But the building is known for doing that particular job
Okay.
of showing
Okay.
a film.
So you mean for the guns,
For the guys.
cinemas are not limited to enclosed
No,
buildings. It can be
no.
outdoors.
Or it can be outdoors once there's a screen to show.
Going to restaurants.
Niyeli he ya. Niyeli he ya.
Going to the mall.
More shishramo ya. More shishramo ya.
Going to the stadium.
Shemoi srotui akwemo he ya. Shemoi srotui akwemo he ya.
Going on an excursion.
Nikwemo shishramo. Nikwemo shishramo.
Visiting friends.
Nane men sramo. Nane men sramo.
Going to watch a play.
Alagba kwemo. Alagba kwemo.